Hello everyone, welcome you all, in a new video. I am your Mr. Editor, with new tutorial video. Today we learn, how WhatsApp status are made, how it edits with simple way. If you support me, I will get more editing video, with best quality, and easy way, as well, drive links, for better download experience. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Mr. Edits, as well click on bell notification icon, to get notified when I upload a new video. If you any have doubt, related to this video, comment below, as well, like my video, as, supportily. For better download experience, simply download ES File Manager, WinRAR, or any zip file extractor application, in your Android device. As well, I will provide ES File Manager link in description, download from description. Once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. Simply download ES File Manager APK, or any extractor app from Google Play Store, and download the zip file. Install ES File Manager or any extractor app in your device. I personally recommend ES File Manager, and extract the zip file by using ES File Manager. And install the KineMaster app. And open KineMaster app. Click on Media. As well background. And select the white color or any other, as you like. And expand image timeline. Click on Layer, and also Media option, select PNG image. As well download any PNG from browser, and expand the timeline of PNG image. And again move to Layer, as well Media, and select the video from extracted file. And click on Script Box, and select the marked option, and click on Done. Now click on Green Screen Video Layer, and select Chroma Key option, then enable that, choose green color from here. Now cut the extra layer of video. Your video is almost done. Now export that video by using sharing option, click on share, and select 720p resolution, and click on export option. Sorry for the lag, friends, I was just explained for beginners, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more editing tutorial videos. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, keep smiling.